Welcome back to the final chapter of our Singapore journey. We conclude our tour where most journeys begin, at the world-renowned Jewel Changi Airport. At its heart stands the HSBC Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall, a true marvel of engineering and nature. Surrounding the waterfall is the Shiseido Forest Valley, a sanctuary of thousands of trees and shrubs right inside the terminal. The architecture here is more than just functional. It's a breathtaking testament to Singapore's vision of a city in nature. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Leaving the airport, we head to the bustling heart of the city, Orchard Road, Singapore's premier shopping belt. Architectural icons like Ion Orchard define the skyline here, blending high-end fashion with futuristic design. The streets are alive with energy, from talented buskers to the vibrant pulse of city life at every corner. Just a turn away, Emerald Hill offers a glimpse of the past with its beautifully preserved Peranakan-style shophouses. For a change of pace, the Singapore Botanic Gardens provide a sprawling green escape in the center of the city. The National Orchid Garden is a highlight, showcasing the incredible beauty and diversity of Singapore's national flower. Tiong Bahru blends old-world charm with modern lifestyle, famous for its unique architecture and artisanal cafes. As night falls, the city transforms. Landmarks like the Henderson Waves take on a magical glow. We return to Marina Bay, where the city truly comes alive with light and shadow. The Spectra Light and Water Show is a symphony of color and music, a perfect celebration of the city's spirit. Water, light, and sound merge to tell the story of Singapore's journey and its bright future. Nearby, at Gardens by the Bay, the Super Trees perform their own nighttime dance in the Garden Rhapsody. It's a mesmerizing experience that captures the magical essence of the Lion City at night. As our three-part journey concludes, we hope you felt the vibrant heartbeat of this incredible island nation. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour. Singapore will always be here, ready for your next adventure. Safe travels, and until we meet again in the Lion City, goodbye for now. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.